Hey there, here's LingoJet, and today I'm here to teach you the present tense of verb to be as auxiliary verb in French. French people call it as être. As you know, this lesson is very important because the verb to be is kind of a very fundamental and usable stuff. Before we get us started, you just go down there, hit the subscribe button and turn on a post notification if you haven't done it. Let's go. So, I am in French means je suis. Je suis means I am. Je means I. Suis means am. So, je suis means I am. Great, that's it. Next one. Whenever you want to say you are, but in formal and singular, you should say tu es. Tu es. Tu es means you are, but informal and singular. That's it, great. Next one. He is and she is. She is in French means elle est. So elle means she and est means is. Elle est means she is. Très bien, great. Next one. He is. He is in French is il est. Il est means he is. So, elle est means she is and il est means he is. Okay, what was she is? Yes, elle est and he is. Il est. Très bien, great. Next one. We are. We are in French is nous sommes. Nous sommes. And on est. On est. So what is the difference between nous sommes and on est? Nous sommes is formal and on est means is we are but informal. Okay, one more time. Nous sommes. Repeat after me. Nous sommes. Great means we are formal and on est we are but informal. That's it, great. Next one. Whenever you want to say you are, but plural and formal, you should say vous êtes. Vous êtes. So vous êtes means you are, but plural and formal. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Très bien. Great. That's it. Vous êtes. Next one. When you want to say yeah, they are, so it depends on gender. Is masculine or feminine? When you want to say they are for masculine, you should say can you just suppose? Ils sont. Ils sont. Ils sont means they are for a group of men or boys and everyone. Ils sont. And they are for feminine, should say. For example, a group of women or girls and etc. should say elles sont. Elles sont. Elles sont means they are, but for feminine. That's it, great. So now let's just repeat all of these examples together, alright? Je suis. Je suis. Tu es. Tu es. Il est. Il est. Elle est. Elle est. Nous sommes. Nous sommes. On est. On est. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Ils sont. Ils sont. Elles sont. Elles sont. Great. So, these are different forms of verb être or to be in French. So let's go for some examples in this lesson. For example, you want to say, I am happy or I am tired. Happy in French means heureux. So, when you want to say, I am happy, you should say, je suis heureux. Je suis heureux. Je suis heureux means I am happy. So, heureux converts to zéro because these two words just connect together and combine. Because there's a vowel and consonant. Je suis heureux means I am happy. Je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué. Je suis fatigué means I am tired. Je suis fatigué. Fatigué means tired. Or next example, we want to say, for example, he is a student. He is a student is, what was he is? Yes, il est. Student means étudiant. He is a student in French is, il est étudiant. Étudiant. So, next one, we want to say, she is a student. You should say, elle est étudiante. Elle est étudiante. Yes, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting. Please subscribe, notifications turned on. And don't forget to just practice all of these lessons after you watch them. See you later.